we are. We kind of got here. It's May 7th. We're giving away this canoe, the early bird prize. What do you think about that sitting on your vehicle?
I think I need one of these. And I can't buy a ticket.
I know, it's just phenomenal that this year is the early bird prize. Good afternoon, fellow Rotary supporters for the Great Rotary Raffle. We're doing the early bird draw today, and I have some special guests with me. I have Phyllis. She is from the Muskoka Lakes Club. She's the president. And with me, I have Diane, the store manager for the Swift Canoe factory store right here in Gravenhurst. What a beautiful day. What a beautiful canoe. How can you beat this? So, we're going to be pushing the button now to see who won this. You can pick up the canoe at this store and once we announce the winner. Thanks for your support. Still buy more tickets. You can still win the Legend X20 boat. $85,000. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, Diane, you are the manager with Swift Canoe up here on Gravenhurst. If you wouldn't mind pressing this button to pick the winner. And with that green button right there. And all you do is press the button. And here we are. And we now have the winner. The ticket number itself is 2365. Congratulations, you just won a brand new Swift Canoe.